eye Kasoa Bojiase road any akonti any senya no a nukranie wakonkodin aye dwumaden nam kwantempa so ye no so asabre se dwumadie nyina dan so eka ho bia ya ekoso abankasiem so eka ho na wo yesa adwumaso yi
records for Mampini Auto Central Region sometime in 2022 I'll call 3 places and as 3 places number 1 I'll call Papasi I'm a Kati sort for the construction of the Papasi to Kanswa to Bojuasi Road I'm a Kasa Bina no I can say a quay service you do not hinder the pressure to Sahara my day yes I can see at least making sure San about 2024 now you be a crime. I mean, the contract and also say by September this year, now you be a crime. Until you make a when you give or take records no more. One people like be no ekai. Also by traditional council, to senior traditional council, Obabriku, Emma, Omahin, Abukia, the Ajimawite. At the training said traffic area, the stretch from Dumburam. Kaswa ebepem brekuno it's too much nti yenye bibi found na my presence so ebie na no e ka say okay what na I think yeah who preparations am ya doma before about 2024 elections na start to road no nti eno ne Kaswa to ni ba highway ina yehu a ya start.
Director of Communication Wabankasiemu Ora Eugene ya Ojinemu e was Senyabreku West Epre Emrasebe Dwakonya onwanya for ya asafomafo wa yefutu for stronko de mama mpanyini e Wabankasiem e na wo kyeremu se emrepi ya ewo ho ya nankasese babon tra 2020 covid ntimi ama eno ne beboa yen ama afie bi a yeto aba sika etimi di bro se de susuo no enka wo ye ho adwuma ake no beboa papa osi abiri a ye beto aba no ya na yetumi akodi amana kwa kwabro de sese de be wie na ne susu aso no akoya aso mienu ntokwa kwabrane atua tanansi turumu umahia mi no onumnom ene kokora no ne ye ho akire won timamufu ani be ha enu ti nkomo he no monye sanhye ni nyina wo se no beboa e me fanfan ye ni nkontabo papa nso etumi aba wo bra ye beto aba no ne ato aba na wie sikasemu.
There's a law on this physical responsibility. In some countries, if you spend more than a certain percentage over the previous year's expenditure, the Minister of Finance gets into trouble. The whole idea is to make sure that you spend within your own budget, and the figure they use is 5%. The idea is that you keep within plus or minus 5% of your own total expenditure program. That's why, and I think that Ghana, we should certainly implement this fiscal responsibility law very well, because when you create distortions in the economy, people will be called upon to tighten their belt, and that means hardship, and we should avoid it. Because you see, a country works responsibly with a budget, and you should obey your budget. I'm praying hard that we do that. When you have IMF program, what it really means is that they will make sure that indirectly the fiscal responsibility law is kept, because the IMF will not allow you to go beyond certain limits of expenditure. That is why you are hearing all kinds of, you can't just ask for it. The IMF allows you to do what you have. You can raise additional revenue, also over and above your projected revenue.
Why dear ye raya safuma for your tin and canon. And it is Amanyokoya was Santia Chim Central Conongo, or friends and trophy shamu, and in Sambia to Ninada and say, and Nano yen chair cry and MPP page medium to ma, almost a friend is a performance tracker. Ninada, ye papa Docotalaji Mamudu Quabrajima Baumian and Ishadu, ya watch it or mine dog gone, do my digitalization. So Munuma would draw one my yeno, any Gauta Ganama, Monina. The back and a grand guano cohebi. Now so a run said a bit crabia anyway, whom comrade Cofies you do when the Gina Dominim was a track and Nimuno was why near Mamma Coma Quadruno and be ever one more swabba Tompesiaso. Now so correct track anymore be beside anymore a tra and cre Tompeswamo Kamagana this year na etiese sa performance track canoe any people for the abano. Niama Bebro and Ukraine through any Santiachim Central Diano Makamasam.
25 projects Asante Achim Central post office awa hanom no omo provide office no with equipment omudi omodwuma sasem na eye no kre se wokọ kono post office hanom computers mienu pe na honom omudi omodwuma omo si cassava factory ahyiayem bebia ni honom MPP omo si cassava factory honom eno so eye ntropa na omotwa akere Asante Achim Central for omo so sasa akere se kono government hospital na eye 60 bed capacity hospital na yewura John Dramani Mahama dawroma wesi ma kono man no ya ye kono wa yina University Hospital no yewura John Dramani Mahama na si hospital no omo de water nsuo abre kono man ye musa ho se nsuo no efa na wo nsuo yi na nim se e ma kono man nsuo eye project Mahama e de ba ya e wo ajara 20 MPP for de no efa na wo menu no omo sa twantro se wo kono ngo presby B school na wo no na aye esi be 1964 no omo si 6 unit classroom block e wo sa school no school no ko no ma apart from school dada na si honom no school mu no bia ni honoma omasi na kire se omoso ayantro omaka kire se omasi fact e wo kuma so kwan no so asa factory no e produce the efe no ayo India ni dio e na nim se sa factory no so no India ni factory omosi omama Asante Achim Central 80 street light central government etimi e de sha omo trakam e ka kire Asante Achim Central for nyina se omama 80 street light enti yembo yesemba omodia no so hu se ko na yede tumra sha omoye enungwasefo no ka kire se mabramo 80 street light enti yensanto abama mobiem minuanom Asante Achim Central for e yasem sebe na pese ka kire mo se MPP for Asante Achim Central election ye bia yeto abama omo no o ma fairly Asante Achim Central
office edru enu this time no 21st clinic. We are the sciatica expert, 15 branches across Ghana. And open new year, baby, will be above them. Now, I have some 3 eco capsules on so boy, you are him team. And Coco took a cancer, be Jawana and Moja womb, meaning I be from me so any 5G, no so. Wouldn't be a wapa, would be a year to Pon Jawa, our dear.